Good. Down. Good. Heel. 4. Sit. Good.
Hi guys, good day. It's Mike of Dog Trainer Cebu, and we are with Carl, our trainer, and Oreo, our student, level 3 obedience training.
Good. Down. Good.
So I just want to talk about the difference of level 1, 2, and 3 obedience training. Okay? So level 1 is on leash obedience training, and we use a lot of leash pressure, and sometimes we use the e-collar. It depends on the dog. If the dog can be ready early, if the dog is picking up the lessons quickly, then we might be able to introduce the e-collar. Okay? Because you know guys, you have to understand that before we use the e-collar, we are making sure first that the dog understands the behaviors before we layer the e-collar pressure, or before we obligate the dog. That's what the e-collar is for. It's for obligating the dog to do it, and also for communicating with the dog when the dog is incorrect. Okay? So level 2 obedience is off leash, but the difference between 2 and 3 off leash obedience is level 2. Not all dogs can make it outside. What do I mean by that? They cannot. Not all dogs can do off leash in public. Okay. So level 2, some dogs we're still checking if they can do it, because some dogs are very nervous and unstable. So if that is the case, like we start training, we use the long line, this long leash outside, and then we pair it with the e-collar. So because of the very long leash, it's the same as having the dog off leash. The dog can go far from you. So if the dog keeps on, trying to run away, escape, or I don't know, maybe the dog is afraid of cars or anything that might cause the dog to run away, then we would say that the dog cannot make it to level 3. So if that is our assessment, then the dog can only do level 2 obedience, which is like maybe like what Oreo is doing now, indoor, but indoor off leash, but outdoor with leash. Okay. So anyway, we also have a law regarding putting the dog on a leash, but that law in the Philippines is actually, it's not because of they don't want dogs off leash. It's because of the rabies law. Okay, anti-rabies law. So they are saying, it says that the dogs must be on a leash. It's because people here in the Philippines actually leash their dogs on a post or on a window grill, so that they can just be there guarding the house, which is really sad. We don't like that, okay? But people do that. So it's normal for the government to make a law that says put your dogs on a leash. It's like saying put your dogs inside the cage. Okay? So, ayan. So, level 3. Level 3 obedience is off-leash, indoor, and outdoor. Okay? So, that's the ultimate level ng, obedience training natin.
Oreo, sit.
So Oreo is level 3 obedience.
Good. Yes.
Ayan. So,
Oreo, place.
although Oreo does not require a reward, Oreo is getting rewarded. It's not because he will not do it
No, sit.
if he is not rewarded. It's because he is having his lunch.
Yes.
This is his lunch. Okay?
Come. Yes.
And
Good.
sometimes you see a little bit of twitching sa head ni Oreo. It's because he is very sensitive. It used to be worse. Medyo nasasanay na siya dahil ito si Oreo is pabalik-balik lang ito dito.
Good.
When his owners are busy, they leave Oreo here. Sometimes, like now, this time, it's for more than a month
Yes.
na nandito si Oreo. So, siya, bahay na ni Oreo ito.
Yes.
So,
Oreo down. Good. No down.
another limitation pala of our off-leash obedience training. Some dogs
Good.
are aggressive towards kids or other animals. Although it can be managed and corrected, some dogs, even though you train the dog, it will never go away. So in that case, we cannot do level 3. We can only do level 2. So that to ensure the safety of
Come.
the general public when you are out with your dog. So now, si Oreo is nagdalag. And I don't know ano yung tinitingnan niya.
Yung vibrate kasi napindot.
Ano?
Yung vibrate yung napindot.
Napindot ni Carl yung vibrate. Medyo siya.
Good.
Nagtaka siya yun. Hinahanap niya sa anong galing.
Oreo,
Wala
come.
kang makikita dyan. Oreo. It's from your collar. Okay.
Okay.
We never used the vibrate. It was an accident that it was pressed. Ayun pala. So, a lot of people, sometimes I see that sa mga comments. I just use the vibrate and my dog will pay attention. Ganyan.
Down.
The problem with that
Good.
is this. So it might work, okay? Maybe it will work forever. Pero some dogs or most dogs, when they get used to the vibrate, they get desensitized and they will learn to ignore it, diba? But for the e-collar electric stimulation,
Come.
you can increase it if the dog is no longer responding the way you want to, or it's getting desensitized with it. Then you can go higher on the level. The vibrate, it's gonna stay the same. Maybe for some cheap e-collars, it can be increased, the level of vibrate, but how hard can a collar vibrate, right? So, anyway, if you have any questions regarding our obedience program, feel free to message us on Facebook. www.facebook.com/dogtrainerscebu, or send us a message or call me 0917-158-6757. Oreo is looking at Danny for some reason. Danny was making some noise inside the crate.
Okay.
Ayan. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.
Sit down.